You just found the 2026 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. The smooth-riding Silverado 1500 delivers rugged strength, a quiet and spacious cabin, agile handling, and technology that keeps you connected. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: convenience package, wireless Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, pre-collision system, intelligent auto on-off high beams, lane departure warning, keyless entry, navigation system, lane keeping assist, keyless start, heated mirrors. Everyone loves the strong, silent type. Make a date with a Silverado 1500.